Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy chicken stir-fry. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, cut into small pieces. Wash and chop your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Don't forget to mix up a simple sauce with soy sauce, fresh ginger, minced garlic, and a hint of honey or brown sugar. This preparation makes cooking a breeze. Now let's cook that chicken to perfection. Heat about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, like vegetable or canola oil, in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, add your chicken pieces in a single layer. Cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and fully cooked. Then, take the chicken out of the pan and set it aside for a moment. Next up, the vibrant vegetables. Add another tablespoon of oil to your hot pan. Start with the harder vegetables like carrots and broccoli florets, stir-frying them for about 2 minutes. Then, toss in the softer vegetables, such as bell peppers and snow peas, and continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You want them to be crisp tender, not mushy, retaining their lovely color and a slight bite. This keeps your stir-fry fresh and appealing. Finally, let's bring it all together for a fantastic meal. Return the perfectly cooked chicken to the pan with your crisp tender vegetables. Now, pour that delicious stir-fry sauce you prepared earlier over everything. Toss all the ingredients gently for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to coat everything beautifully and thicken slightly. Serve your homemade chicken stir-fry immediately over fluffy rice or your favorite noodles for a complete and satisfying dinner. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.